Alright, this is the late 70s Emerson Kool compact 6,300 BTU air conditioner. I finished the restoration. I didn't do too much aesthetic stuff, but I did, repaint the pan, and because the pan was disintegrating, rusted through. See, the pan's a nice gray color now. Redid the badge there. Might be able to see inside. Pan's nice and new looking. And the condensate comes right out this tube. I don't know if I could get you a view under there. Maybe. Let's see. There you go. Tube comes out right there. It's connected to the drain pan, so condensate comes right out. No more sitting water in the pan. Anyway, it's still slightly low on R22. I didn't add any yet, so it's blowing in. It's about 80 degrees out, blowing in the low 50s, which isn't bad, but the coil is freezing up, which it shouldn't be in 82 degrees. It's probably warmer than that now, so anyways, we'll turn it on. It's got a rotary compressor, Matsushita, which is a shame it doesn't have a reciprocating compressor, but it is what it is. Let's go high fan. Take two. I thought I put the blade on in the same spot as it originally was, but apparently I didn't, because it was hitting the shroud. Anyway, we're going to turn on high fan again. There we go. Super normal. Turn on the compressor. That's basically it. Show you the data plate. I don't know why it's not focusing. That's about it. It's not that cold. Like I said, I could probably just add a few ounces of 22 and it should be good. Put a bullet piercing valve on it and just add a few ounces. Or I could evacuate the system, put in a reciprocating compressor, and solder on some access valves and just recharge the system. We'll see. I think it's a small leak wherever it is, so I'll probably just add a little bit and take it from there. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good day, and take care.